A pleasant to all of you. A pleasant to all of you. Mali. A pleasant day to all of you learners. Our activity today, we will assemble a continuity tester. The primary purpose of this project or this continuity tester is for us to check the continuity or condition of electrical appliances such as electric fan, flat iron, hair dryer, so forth and so on. Why is it important for you to have a continuity tester? This is very important for you as future electrician because there are times you need to troubleshoot your wiring installation so that when you apply power, there will be no problem. In assembling continuity tester, we need the following parts. Number one, we have here resistor. Resistor used to limit or control the flow of current so that our LED will not busted or will not burn out. The second one, we need LED. LED or light emitting diode, which serve as light indicator. We also need soldering lead for us so that we can connect the wiring connection of continuity tester. We also need a battery, 9 volts. This is the positive side of the battery and this is the negative side. Okay? We also need electrical tape so that we can insulate or protect the exposed parts. Okay. We also need solid wire number 14 so that we can make a recycled test probe. We also need flat cord number 16 or number 18. This flat cord came from defective electric fan. Therefore, we will recycle the flat cord so that we can use it in our continuity tester. We also need clip cord so that we can use it in actual testing. Then of course, I have here a defective mouse of the computer wherein we can get the LED. We will recycle the LED of mouse of the computer. We also need marker. Of course, in assembling continuity tester, we need the following tools. We have soldering iron, rated 40 watts, intended for electronics and electrical works. So that the heated tip of soldering iron will be safe and protect us also against burn or heat coming from the soldering iron. We use soldering stand. We can place it in this manner. We also need a glue gun. Okay? So glue gun. Then of course, we need electrician pliers. Okay? We also need diagonal cutting pliers. So these are the tools in assembling continuity tester. I have here a defective mouse of the computer. Using the defective mouse of the computer, we can get light emitting diode. Okay? In order to do that, we need a soldering iron. Okay? Simply hit the connection in this manner so that we can dismantle or remove the LED or light emitting diode. Okay? Simply pull it in this manner. Okay, here is the light emitting diode. Okay, so let us check the condition of the light emitting diode with the use of pre-assembled continuity tester. Okay, if LED lights, it means LED is in good condition. Therefore, LED is in good condition. Try to look at the position of the test probe. The red test probe is located here. Therefore, this is the positive terminal of the LED and the other side is the negative terminal. Our next step is we will prepare a test probe with the use of solid wire number 14 and of course, duplex wire coming from defective electric fan. So, measure at least 2 pieces of this with the use of our electrician pliers. Approximately the length is like this. Okay. It should have the same length. Then remove the insulator with the use of electrician pliers and diagonal cutting pliers. Do it in this manner. The other side, just do it the same. We are through with the first test probe, solid wire number 14. The other one. With the use of electrician pliers, do it this way to make it straight. Number 1, tapos number 2. Okay. So, cut the duplex wire approximately 1 meter. Then separate the duplex wire in this manner. Then remove the insulator. The other one. Okay. We have the solid wire number 14 here. We will connect the end of the duplex wire to the first test probe in this manner. Then bend the end of the solid wire. Then cover the connection or protect the connection using electrical tape. Do the same in the other test probe. Cover it again with electrical tape. Make sure that there is no terminals exposed to avoid short circuit. Okay. So, make it straight. So we have here the test probe. By the way, let us do the actual wiring connection. This is the cover wherein you can place the light emitting diode. Okay, so let us bore a hole intended for light emitting diode in this manner. Okay, so this hole is intended for light emitting diode. We will bore another hole at the sides. This is intended for the test probe. Okay. Next, we will insert the test probe. So this is now the test probe. Okay. We will insert okay. Put a nut or tie it like this. What is the purpose of tying this? The primary purpose of tying the test probe so that it will not be stretched, to protect our connection later. Okay? So we can remove the insulator of the test probe. Okay? Then twist it. Okay, another one, remove the insulator of the test probe, twist it. Okay, the next step is to insert the LED on the cover. Okay, so we can bend it a little like this. So this is now the LED. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. We can connect now the positive side of the LED to the test probe. Okay, so let us connect with the use of soldering iron and soldering lead. Okay, okay, we can now connect the test probe. Okay, next we have here the battery 9 volts. Here is the positive terminal and here is the negative terminal. Negative terminal, positive terminal. We will connect the positive terminal to the other test probe. Okay, so with the use of soldering iron, let us connect. Okay, so we have here a resistor. I already put an extension wire for the resistor. We will connect the end of the resistor to this terminal, the negative terminal of the battery. So I will connect now the resistor with an extension to the negative side of the battery. Then the other side of the extension wire will be connected to the negative side of the LED, which is located at the cover of the casing. So we will connect it now. Okay, then connect it in this manner. Okay, with the use of glue gun, put a small amount at the connection of the LED so that it will be fixed. Then we will connect the battery on the casing. So we can now place the battery in the casing. So we can cover the circuit connection. Here is the newly assembled continuity tester. Okay, so let us check whether the tester is functioning. Okay, do it in this manner. The continuity tester is already functioning, or we can already use it in actual testing. Okay, so I will show you the actual connections. So we have here the battery. The negative side of the battery is connected to the resistor and directly connected to the negative side of the LED. The positive side of the LED will go directly to the test probe. The positive side of the battery go directly to the other test probe. So let us cover it to make it safe. Okay, so this is the appearance of newly assembled continuity tester. To further improve the appearance, we can place label here, continuity tester. So let us use now the newly assembled continuity tester in actual testing. So we have here a clip cord. Okay, we have alligator clip on both sides. We have the wires. To check the continuity of wire from the first alligator to the second alligator, you can simply use our newly assembled continuity tester. Okay, connect it here and the other one. Okay, if LED emits light, it means our clip cord is in normal condition or in good condition. Okay? Let us check the soldering iron. Okay? Let us verify each condition with the use of continuity tester. So if LED emits light, it means soldering iron is in good condition. Of course, application in electrical, therefore this is incandescent bulb. We can check the condition of incandescent bulb with the use of also our newly assembled continuity tester. Do it in this manner. If LED emits light, it means the filament of the incandescent lamp is in good condition. Okay? Let us proceed to the electrical appliance such as this. What do you call this? This is a flat iron. Okay? To verify each condition, let us check the condition of the flat iron. Connect the test probe across the male plug of the flat iron. If the LED emits light, it means the flat iron is in good condition. Okay. Another one, we have here hair dryer. Can we still use our newly assembled LED in testing hair dryer? Let us try. We will use clip cord, then connect the other ends or the end of the clip cord to the test probe of newly assembled continuity tester. If LED emits light, it means hair dryer is in good condition. So, there are many appliances that can be checked using continuity tester. My dear students, thank you. I hope you learned something today. So, what are you waiting for? Assemble your own so that we can use it in the next actual activities and electrical wiring installation. This simple continuity tester is very useful for you as future electrician because this is very useful at home in testing electrical gadgets and electrical wiring installation. I hope you learned something today. We do this with the use of recycled materials. So, thank you, keep safe, and stay healthy. Goodbye. So, this ulit.
Go.
Naano ako eh. Continuity tester. Wag na.
I'm brave. Yeah.
Tumatawa eh. Nadidistract ako.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tingnan natin.